modified organisms. Usually, nag-change na ng structure ng bagay. For example, yung mga fish, pinapalaki nila by chemical.
So, andito naman tayo sa biosafety audit. And there are initiatives for the protection of the general human population regarding the issues and concern about GMOs. International organizations develop principles and treaties that somehow ensure biosafety on GMOs. Some of these initiatives are as follows. Pinipasa, Mr. Sanchez.
The Codex Alimentarius is Commission Codex, the Food and Agricultural Organization, FAO, together with the World Health Organization. The WHO created the Codex Alimentarius Commission Codex.
Ang Codex ay sila yung responsible kung ang ilalabas ba ng GMOs na product is makakabuti sa mga tao. Basta pag hindi sila quality yung ilalabas nila, itatapo nila yun. Sila yung namamahala kung ilalabas ng GMOs. Makikipa sa Mr.
Codex is the intergovernmental body that develops the Codex Alimentarius known as the International Food Code. Cartagena Protocol is the biosafety established in 2003. Cartagena Protocol is the international environmental treaty that regulates the transboundary movement of the living modified organism or LMS. International trade.
Ang Cartagena Protocol on Biosafety ay sila yung kasi meron dito na living modified organism sila yung Cartagena Protocol, sila yung sa LMOs, sila ang makikipag-usap kung yung product ng LMOs ay ilalabas for display. Kasi pag nakipag-usap sila dito sa Cartagena, yung product ng elements, pag hindi sila pumasa sa inaano ng Cartagena, hindi pa i-import hindi pa export ng Cartagena yung product ng elements. Ang ibig sabihin na LMOs is living modified organisms. Ang makikibasa this product.
Regulates the international trade agreement on the delivery of clean food and food products. The agreement requires importer of clean food and food products to label their product their product and give right to importing to retail or after the give product.
Dito naman sa international trade agreement, hindi ka sila nga i-import nag-export ng product. Hindi nila pakikalaman kung yung product ay may GMOs na tatak, yung may label. Wala silang dun sa mga nagtitinda kung ipagbebenta nila yung mga product na yun or hindi. Hindi nila pakikalaman yung mga product na yun kung ipagbebenta na isang sari-sari store. But GMOs in the GMO concern started in the 1990s. The creation of the National Committee on Biosafety of the Philippines, NCBC, through Executive Order Number 430 of 1990, the NCBC developed the guidelines on the planned release of genetically manipulated organisms, GMOs, and potentially harmful exotic species in 1990. In 2002, the Department of Agriculture released Administrative Order Number 8, the guidelines for the important and release into the environment of GM plants and plant products. Ito na nga yung na sila ng kaso sa GMOs, naglabas na sila. Kasi nga yung mga inirelease ng product ng GMOs is nakakasama sa mga kalusugan ng tao. Kaya nagkain sila ng mga kung ano-ano para naman